Welcome to this overview of the Siebel Business Automation video training. My name is Alexander Hansal and I'm happy that you can join me for this overview. So let's see the breadth and depth of Siebel Business Automation features in a single slide. Most of these topics are covered in the Siebel Business Automation training. So we start with developer features or declarative features where you need Siebel tools experience, and we focus on the business automation layer of the Siebel repository, starting off with business services, workflow processes, and not forgetting about task-based UI, and you get an overview of scripting. Keep in mind that for scripting we have a separate course. And then we focus, that's the centerpiece of the whole course, the administrative business automation features such as state model, audit trail, usage pattern tracking, universal inbox, iHelp, SmartScript, runtime events, workflow policies, assignment manager, and data validation manager. And you also get an introduction to the Siebel expression or the Siebel query language, which is used all across the board in the repository and in the administrative layer of Siebel CRM. And we even throw in a chapter on super user features such as activity plans, assessment templates, quick fill templates, and predefined queries. So let's dive a little bit into some of these very interesting topics. Of course, business services provide the majority of functionality and business logic in Siebel applications, either the out-of-the-box business services or the ones that you create yourself. So if there's a way to do it with eScript or Java or a vanilla business service, you can do it. And of course, it helps a ton with automation, and it's even better if you orchestrate your business services into workflow processes. Workflow processes are the real foundation, the goat of the Siebel Business Automation layer, if you will. They are declarative, graphical, and you define a sequence of steps, most of which can be business service methods, but there are also other step types. So in this course, you get an overview to get started with business services and workflow and understand that they are really the foundation for everything that happens in Siebel Business Automation. The same is true for Task UI, which orchestrates not only the back-end business services, but also the front end, the view and applet navigation. So users have that wizard style navigation and you have full control over the user interface of the process you're automating. And of course, we have to talk about scripting. Scripting is necessary, but it's not the ultimate goal of this course to teach you scripting. We have a separate Siebel scripting course if you're interested. And the automation features really take it away. So state model is a classic automation feature that we dive into as a starter, where you can set the pick lists that are literally filtered based on the state of the record. We have Audit Trail, which lets you track the history of changes made to records in the Siebel database, such as new record creations, updates, deletions, or even read and export. UPT is another great automation tool if you want to understand what your users are doing, how they are using Siebel CRM, how they are following your processes or not, and you can take advantage of the vast information you can capture there. Universal Inbox is an underrated tool, if there's any underrated tool in Siebel, as it is an information box for users, so you can not only use it for Task UI, but you can use it for any object in Siebel CRM where you need a notification, a way of pausing and transfer information or tasks from one user to the other. Great for approval workflows as well. And iHelp is, well, another underrated automation tool. Do you have those simple but still lengthy processes that users forget how to do and they skip steps, iHelp can be a very easy way out. No repository work needed. Runtime events are the backbone of event handling outside of the script event handlers. So you learn all about the different runtime events options and how to set up your action sets in this course. And the course wouldn't be complete without a module on the asynchronous way of invoking mostly workflow processes, but also other things using workflow policies. So you will understand how to create and manage policies, as well how to set them up in your servers, generating triggers and all that. And then we have the beast that is Assignment Manager. Assignment Manager automates the assignment of data to users based on their login ID, their position, their organization, so you can automatically control the visibility of thousands or millions of records. And Data Validation Manager or Data Validation Rules that can be invoked through Data Validation Manager is also a great tool to have and adds to your portfolio as a Siebel Business Administrator. And there you have it. These and much more information you will learn in the new Siebel Business Automation training. So go to siebelhub.com and start learning today.